Someone walked into a Harbor Freight last month to buy the Drillmaster drill they had been using for 2 years. The one that had been on the shelf, in the same spot, every time they had walked past the cordless tool section. They needed a second unit, same battery, same platform, easy replacement. It was not there. The shelf had Bauer tools where Drillmaster used to be. No clearance sign, no discontinuation notice, no explanation from the employee they asked. The Drillmaster 18-volt cordless platform is gone from Harbor Freight's product line, and with it, the availability of replacement batteries, replacement accessories, and any practical path to expanding a tool setup built around a battery that Harbor Freight no longer makes. That experience, returning for a tool that was there and is no longer, is not rare at Harbor Freight. It is the documented, recurring outcome of a brand consolidation strategy that the company executes without announcement and without warning the buyers who built their tool inventory around the products being discontinued. That drill is gone. There isn't usually much fanfare when this happens. You might just go back to grab something from your local store one day and find that it's no longer there. Harbor Freight operates a product line that turns over faster than most of its customers realize, pulling tools when something is wrong with them, when they do not sell well, or when a newer model from a higher brand tier replaces them. The discontinuation is not the problem by itself. Every retailer discontinues products. The problem is what happens to the buyer who built a tool inventory around the discontinued product. The batteries that no longer have a tool platform to support them. The accessories that are no longer stocked. The warranty that has expired on a tool whose replacement is now a different brand on a different battery system. 8 tools and tool lines at Harbor Freight are in the process of being pulled right now. If you own any of them, or were planning to buy one, the time to ACT is before the shelf is empty. To understand why Harbor Freight pulls tools without announcement and why the process is already underway on these 8 products, you have to understand the brand consolidation strategy the company has been executing since approximately 2016. Harbor Freight's original brand architecture was fragmented. Drillmaster for budget cordless, Chicago Electric for power tools and welding, Central Machinery for stationary equipment, Pittsburgh for hand tools, Portland for outdoor corded tools, Warrior for budget cordless, One Stop Gardens for outdoor equipment, Bunker Hill for security products, and Hallmaster for automotive accessories. Multiple brands, overlapping categories, no clear tier structure. The new architecture is deliberate and tiered. Icon for premium hand tools, Hercules for professional cordless, Bauer for consumer cordless, Titanium for mid-tier welding, Vulcan for professional welding, and Daytona for automotive lifting. Everything that does not fit cleanly into one of those 6 tiers is being discontinued. Some quietly, some through CPSC recalls, some through inventory liquidation that looks like a sale until the shelf stays empty after it ends. Here is what being pulled looks like across 8 specific products. Drillmaster 18-volt cordless platform. Drillmaster used to sit alongside Warrior as one of Harbor Freight's more prominent budget-oriented power tool brands. The brand is no longer receiving new product introductions. Existing inventory is being sold through without restocking. Buyers who own Drillmaster batteries cannot reliably source new batteries at Harbor Freight because the platform has been effectively succeeded by Bauer. The transition happened without a discontinuation announcement. The shelf changed. The batteries did not. Chicago Electric brand. Chicago Electric has been Harbor Freight's workhorse brand for years, but it is being phased out going forward. The brand that covered angle grinders, welders, generators, and power tools across Harbor Freight's product line is being consolidated into Titanium for welding and Hercules or Bauer for cordless. A Chicago Electric tool purchased today is a tool whose brand architecture is being retired. Accessories, consumables, and replacement parts for Chicago Electric products will become progressively harder to source as the brand winds down. Portland 14-inch electric chainsaw, about 1,020,000 Portland one-stop gardens, and Chicago Electric 14-inch chainsaws were recalled in May 2018 due to a power switch that could malfunction and allow the chainsaw to continue operating after the operator moves the switch to the off position, posing a serious injury hazard. 15 reports of chainsaws continuing to operate after being turned off, resulting in 3 laceration injuries, including 1 serious arm injury requiring stitches. The Portland and One Stop Gardens chainsaw brands were effectively eliminated by this recall. Neither brand carries the chainsaw line today. Bunker Hill Security brand can no longer be found on Harbor Freight's shelves. The security product line that included safes, alarms, and surveillance equipment under the Bunker Hill name has been discontinued. Replacement parts and accessories for Bunker Hill products are no longer available through Harbor Freight. Pittsburgh 3-ton and 6-ton steel jack stands. The steel models have been discontinued and replaced by the Daytona aluminum line. There was a 3-ton and a 6-ton model that were both made of steel rather than aluminum. These are gone. Buyers who specifically wanted steel construction in that capacity range for professional use no longer have that option in the Harbor Freight lineup. Hall Master Trailer Light Kits. Specific models including item numbers 60,597 and 93,861 were recalled for not conforming to federal motor vehicle safety standards. Harbor Freight has reduced its Hall Master trailer lighting offering significantly, with the wider variety of trailer light kits phased out following the recall issues. If you are finding this useful, subscribe now. The last section covers the consumer consequence that matters most and the specific steps to take before the shelf changes. One Stop Gardens brand. The outdoor garden equipment brand that shared manufacturing infrastructure with Portland for certain products has been effectively discontinued following the chainsaw recall. The brand no longer appears as an active product line at Harbor Freight. Buyers who owned One Stop Gardens equipment have no Harbor Freight source for accessories or replacement parts. Central Machinery stationary tools. Certain central machinery models, specifically older drill press, lathe, and bandsaw configurations, are being replaced by updated iterations under the same brand or consolidated into other categories. The specific older models are not being restocked when they sell through. A buyer who returns to purchase the same central machinery drill press they saw 3 months ago may find it has been replaced by a different configuration with different fence and accessory compatibility. The consequence that matters most to buyers who own any of these products is the orphaned battery and accessory problem. A buyer who built a cordless tool inventory around Drillmaster 18-volt batteries now owns batteries that are not compatible with any currently active Harbor Freight cordless platform. The batteries work in the tools they were purchased for. They do not work in the Bauer tools that replaced Drillmaster on the shelf. Expanding the tool inventory requires starting over on a new platform or holding on to a discontinued platform with no new tool additions available, no new battery technology, and no path to warranty service for tools whose brand no longer exists in the Harbor Freight product line. The 5-question framework for avoiding this outcome with any Harbor Freight purchase. First, is the brand being purchased part of Harbor Freight's current 6-tier architecture: Icon, Hercules, Bauer, Titanium, Vulcan, Daytona? If not, the brand is a discontinuation risk. Second, is new product development still happening on the platform? Are new tools being added to the lineup, or is the existing inventory just selling through? Third, are replacement batteries and consumables currently available in stock, not just listed as available online? Fourth, has the specific product or brand category appeared in CPSC recall history in the last 5 years? Fifth, is the product priced as clearance, suspiciously lower than its recent price, which often signals inventory liquidation before a discontinuation? Harbor Freight's brand consolidation is producing a better structured product line at the top tier. Icon and Hercules are genuinely strong tools with cleaner safety records than the brands they replaced. The transition costs are paid by buyers who purchased the brands being retired without knowing the retirement was coming. The 8 products on this list are in that transition window right now. The shelf may look the same next month. It may not. If this changed how you think about the next Harbor Freight purchase you are planning, subscribe. The tools that disappear without warning are almost never the ones that announce they are going anywhere. And the buyers who act before the shelf changes are the ones who still have a functioning battery platform when the dust settles.